right? It has to do something. I mean, the whole thing didn't get wet, just the bottom part. Just look out. Oh yeah, it's smoking now. Oh crap, scoot back. Scoot back,
If it explodes.
That would be hilarious. Maybe I should just stand back and zoom in. Oh, I'm already all the way zoomed in, that's great.
Look at it smoking. What the heck?
They're lucky they got together that
Oh, it's not on fire anymore.
induction in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame.
Because there's other little fuses in there that the first fuse lights, so we can just light the other fuses, it should work.
So now when you see them, it's Wakeman, Anderson, and Trevor Raven together.
Right? Don't you think it'll light the other fuses in there?
It was
There's other fuses in the bottom, I saw them.
I take it to the what? It hasn't passed touch now. I got it.
There it goes, yeah, see? I got it.
Whoa!
Wow, look at it go.
It hit one of the poppers.
That's what that was.
so, the bass was so loud in the box that
Dude, that was crazy.
Whoa!
when the bass part
It worked. See, I told you it would still work. No, don't step on it. It might still explode. Yeah, there might be some more left in it.
I don't care about Trevor Raven.
Let's just light it on fire the rest of the way.
But we were sitting here, and he was from here to you, and he was playing his ass off. And
Did it actually hit one of the poppers? Because that was really cool how loud that was.
and Anderson was walking through. Then, of course, we talked to him again outside.
Perfect. Look at that tank.
I got stuff.
Smoldering because it got exploded in the battle. Look at it, dude. That was awesome. Look at all the stuff that came out. See, it was when it shot out of the front, it hit one of the popper. It must have hit like this one or something because that exploded, dude.
And
That
as you
was.
can see, it was a Japanese tank, so it's not American. So
Was it really Japanese?
Yeah, look. See? Look, Matthew. It's on the other side, I think. Yeah, the Japanese writing's on the other side.
Okay.
There still should be fire coming out of the back. If I can just light the.
That's after the show. He's front row there.
It's just completely on fire now.
Piney. Gene Piney.
I'm gonna waste all like the gas and
That was
stuff.
the guy. He's on Facebook. He talks to me all the time. There's me
Nice.
before the show.
Look at the Japanese writing.
It's got Japan on it.
Look at the
Oh yeah, it is a Japanese. Yep, that would be why it died. It's gonna crash over now. Nice. That's pretty cool. That was actually cooler than if it wasn't.